welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Savrambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: MPCC not interested in pursuing three-pole alliance with other parties. Meghalaya legislator Adilbert Nongrum criticizes the state government for not including MLAs in the committee for reallocating the residents of Maulong Hut in Shillong. Khasi Department of the North-Eastern Hills University organizes one-day workshop on teaching and learning of Khasi language for non-Khasi speakers. And Meghalaya's talent search organization will organize the Northeast Specially Abled Got Talent Season 1. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent Pala on Monday expressed that the Congress is not interested in pursuing a pre-poll alliance with other parties. Speaking to the media, Vincent Pala said that, as far as the MPCC is concerned, they have already had discussions among the senior leaders and as such are not in favor of having a pre-poll alliance with any party, because once a pre-poll alliance is made, workers will be forced to work for other parties.
The rest, it depends also on the AICC. But normally AICC will always consult the state leaders before taking a decision. This is a big decision. But as far as we in the MPCC, we are not in favor of, not only with AITC or in any other parties also, we are not in favor of tying up with other parties. And moreover, many of our candidates, we already indicated to them that they should fight the election. And especially from the block level, some of the blocks already made a resolution that this candidate should be there, this candidate should be there. So I think we are not in favor of tying up with any party. So what Dr. Mukul has said, I don't know that he has said on behalf of his party, but our party, we don't have any intention of tying up with any other party.
The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and HIMAS today decided to approach the court on the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding on the boundary settlement between Meghalaya and Assam. This decision was taken at the meeting of the KHADC Boundary Coordination Committee, as the Council and HIMAS have been affected from the signing of the MOU. Speaking to the media, the executive member in charge, Elaka, and the leader of opposition of the KHADC, PNSA, informed that this decision was taken at today's meeting.
And for this issue, the Boundary Committee has constituted a coordination committee to be headed by the EM in charge Elaka, Bajambot, myself as the member of the coordination committee, along with the 5 HIMA, which are affected under this first phase of the MOU signed between the two states. We had entrusted to the coordination committee to discuss all the relevant issues and necessary steps to be taken up, at the same time to report to the boundary committee for a final approval before we move to the court.
Meghalaya legislator Adilbert Nongrum today strongly criticized the state government for not including the other MLAs in the committee for reallocating the residents of Maulong Hut in Shillong. Speaking to the media, Nongrum said, there is a hidden agenda in the MDA government for not including the other MLAs in the committee because of the assembly election that will be held in early 2024.
NPP, headed by NPP, this present government, kadai ban shame ka blame, but kadai ban mat do your punishment. Namare ka border uladi, yakani ka padeng joni ka sor matalap, yakani ka harijan ka ba nitip, yakani ka thami molong ka basong ni parlok harijan, ila themu ya ka bande ani galanti, ka bangam tip, ndai jingsha ka jing themu kalong good intention na ka bantaban develop etiki area, na ka bantaban decongest ya ka Shillong, but mata south nam tam kadai ka NPP government headed by NPP, but he will be able to NPP. He demand shame like a blame. Can look at suffer keep by every congestion. Tanakada we bargain ki kanglti banya. Naida kanika issue pakin wengeka bargain kemla. Naida pakin ship fikir kemla. Tiga ba so lingo pakin sha bargain. Haki barjala kadi bomla ban priang kadi highly objectionable, highly questionable. But na kuan puch kli we to deputy chief minister. Kaya kita ka NPP government. Kaya kita ka NPP party ba headed to chief minister. Begini try klik balik ini ke kendo siap kedai mau jong NPP Once upon a time, aku akan pau bahkan ni bahkan land all belong to the people. Di Denmark jika dong kam ni aisyah government kanumla bahkan le business. Nanti kanumla bahkan bargain the collection. Let part of future generation. Kemudian ni harjam kin perkat yang tak future generation ki khon ki joki. Ni yang perkat the future generation joki khon ki joki. Sei kalau we joki khon ki joki. Kejaga keputuan lagi di border lagi di hapus sorru land is life.
Khasi Department of the Northeastern Hills University, in collaboration with the Hindi Department, organized a one-day workshop on teaching and learning of Khasi language for non-Khasi speakers at the non-science cluster of the university. The objective behind this initiative is to encourage the use of the Khasi language among the faculties and students of the university. Besides students and faculties of the university, students and teachers of the Kendriya Vidyalaya School, NEHU, also attended the workshop. NEHU Vice Chancellor Professor P.S. Shukla said that the national education policy emphasized the need to learn 3 languages: national, regional, and international languages. Dr. Marbhador Khandek, a faculty of the Khasi department, said that the objective of this program is to help the non-Khasi employees and students to learn and communicate the Khasi language.
For the teachers who are already appointed in this university, in the future, my student will face the problem. That's why I'm just trying to discuss to start a kind of Bhasha Sangam, language communication platform in the day. Really, I feel proud to be present here. The head of the department of Khasi language, because you have the capacity. You have already the Khasi department, Garo department, Hindi department, linguistic department. And in the country, only few universities having such kind of facilities. And you can take initiative in the leadership of Professor S. Dakar. Really, I am very happy. He is already started the work in this area. I hope in the future we will able to make a different kind of environment in the campus of NEHU. And students will also feel better to share their views in the local languages from one student to other student.
Meghalaya's Talent Search organization will organize the Northeast Specially Abled Got Talent Season 1. The program is supported by the District Social Welfare Office, East Khasi Hills District, Shillong, Government of Meghalaya. The competition will be held online via videos. Online registration will be opened with an audition round from 2nd of May 2022 at 9 a.m. and will be closed on the 16th of May 2022 at 9 p.m. The first prize winner will be given 15,000 rupees, second prize 10,000 rupees, and third prize 7,000 rupees.
Ngila Julia ikani ke MGSAT. Hadin jong ka Meghalaya's Got Talent ngiyo iba buon kini ki bapli ki pidur di people with disabilities ki wan banyashim menta hapo Meghalaya's Got Talent. Te hadin jong ka season 1 ngi perkhat ba ngatrai kan bah lada ngile ya ka special competition jong ka Meghalaya namenta jong ki people with disabilities. Kajing tumo kalong ban encourage ban I'm in same ya ki talent nama hap ngilap haki people with disabilities, they have got special talents. And haka MGSAT season 1 ngilap ba kidon ki painters, kidon ki dancers, kiba mios ngau kashkor where they can dance to the beat and the rhythm just by their instinct, we can say, and they are very talented. They ki artist kidon visual art, kidon ki kubong IP, kinong rai, kinong shot, bat kumta tata. Ti kedai ke kumsi benta ban slur yeti bakin la ban yo benta lang haka society.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.